I love the unique charm of vintage pieces in my dining room. My table, chairs, and sideboard all came from estate sales and thrift stores. They're not matchy-matchy, but they have so much character. Plus, they're super durable. They've stood the test of time. Don't be afraid to mix and match your furniture. I paired a vintage cabinet with a modern table for a stylish and functional look, and a Persian rug adds a pop of color and pattern to the floor. For dishes, I love using vintage china sets. Each piece has its own history, which makes setting the table even more special. And for serving platters and trays, thrift stores are a treasure trove of stylish and affordable options. The right lamps can really transform your dining space. I swapped out the shades on mine to add a touch of personality. So if you're looking to decorate your dining room on a budget, don't underestimate the power of secondhand finds. You can create a space that's both stylish and unique without breaking the bank.